So Amazon are at it again. They're after you. They're trying to catch you out, and they're trying to know what you are doing on your device. This all comes with the latest update. Have you got this update? Have you got the new update with the new screen? You can't stop it happening. The user interface will be coming one way or the other. You can try and block updates, but then other things will stop working. So what we need to do is make sure the correct things which they are adding in and turning back on again are turned off. So before we do that, make sure you hit that follow button. We will keep you up to date to make you stream safe. Streaming safe online, keeping yourself private, no one knowing what you're doing online. It's quite important these days. There's lots of new rules coming in here, there and everywhere for IDs, this, to be able to access social media online. So we also make sure we do run a VPN. If you need a VPN, we run a VPN well online on our Firesticks. I run mine on all my devices from one account. So if you need one of those, linked underneath, you can use it. Your whole family can use it. There's a VPN linked under there on a great deal for you. So what are we talking about today? The latest Firestick update. If you don't have it, the updates come in your settings, under My Fire TV, under About. This is where the updates come, okay? Check for updates. You may as well. You've got to have it. Security patches. At least if you update it, you know it's happened, and you can make sure all these settings are turned off while you're watching this video. So check for updates. Make sure you're on the latest version, and you should have this layout. This is also worth checking if you still have the old layout. So what you need to do is go to your settings, and once in your settings, you need to get yourself to preferences, okay? The layout is very similar to it used to be, but in preferences, we have all of our controls in here. And what they do, when they push these big updates, they turn things back on again. I've gone through and turned mine off, which was turned back on again. You need to do the same. And we're going to start from featured content. This, not so much because of privacy, just because it's annoying. This is a big advert which plays as a video on your screen. Let's turn that one off, okay? Then, notification settings. Again, not for your privacy, but do turn to Do Not Interrupt because you do not need notifications on a streaming device. Data usage monitoring. We don't want them monitoring what data you're using on your device, knowing what you're streaming the data, unless you run a system where you have a limited amount of data you can use from your internet service provider. If you're running through a hotspot or you only have so much data allowed on your network, put that on so you're not overdoing it, but I would turn that off. All the big ones are in privacy settings, okay? These are the ones they like to sneak back on from time to time. Every update, or I normally check these once a month, but obviously I check these for you guys. It's worth you checking them very regularly to get them turned off, okay? The main ones we're going to look at is the managed sharing from apps. Mine had turned back on again. I've just turned it off earlier. So what this does, it makes it easier to continue watching your favourite programs, apparently. So it shares information, including data about your viewing activity, watch list recordings and rentals and purchases from the apps to other apps and to third-party apps, okay? It says here, supported third-party apps will share your viewing and content information with Amazon. So we want that turned off, okay? Device usage data. We want that one turned off as well. We use data about your use of this device to provide customized marketing. So to be able to do that, they have to share the data with other third parties, pretty much. We want that off, okay? Collect app usage data. Allow Amazon to collect information relating to the frequency and duration of your use of third-party apps. So they want to know how much you are using third-party apps. Off. Interest-based ads. Again, if you turned off the other bits, they shouldn't be able to advertise to you from your viewing, so you might as well just turn that off as well. Amazon Photos is a little bit different, but I keep mine disabled. I like to turn off as much as possible, so I'm in control of the device, not them. Another one which they like to sneak back on, if you go back to your settings, go into applications. In here, there's one called automatic offload, okay? This allows them to offload unused apps, what they class as unused apps. It's never their apps, but it means they can move apps off your device and then you have to reinstall them again, so they assume you're not using them. The issue is we have turned off their data monitoring, so they will just remove any app they want to if it's not one of theirs. So we turn that off so they can't do that, okay? If you can't see that there, it's also under My Fire TV, About, and under Storage. You can turn it off here as well if you don't find it. Those are all the ones on the device regarding your actual privacy, okay? There's a couple of others. One of my most hated ones is an audio setting. Display and audio. Under audio, I don't like the navigation sounds, okay? The navigation sounds are very annoying. I like to turn those off. Let's turn those off. But again, that's a preference more than anything. There's one setting which is on the Amazon website. If you check out my other videos, they have cookie consent. Used to be on your device. They've now moved it off of your device onto the Amazon website. So it's worth going on there. You go onto the Amazon website, look under device and devices. You can go in and turn your cookie control off, because then they can get cookies and then they share your cookies to third parties as well. If you want a fresh video on that, we have covered that part. Mine had all stayed off on the latest update. But if you do want a fresh video on that, just comment underneath and we'll get that done for you. Brilliant. The reason we do these videos fairly regular is because we don't want people getting caught out. We want to stay on top of things. They turn things back on again. We turn it back off again. You know, we have fresh layouts, so we have fresh navigation. We have many new followers, so we do many new videos and we keep it safe. You know, if it's not for you, this video, that's fine. It's free to watch. Perfect. Move on to the next one. If you don't like it, if you did like it, give it a share, give it a like, and maybe give it a follow. That VPN is underneath for your privacy, and I'll see you on the next one.